Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Sagita Makfira. You can call me Widya. I am from the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. Today, I want to present about how to control ourselves from spreading virus. Before I start my presentation today, do you know about virus? Understanding of virus cell in the human body related to their development and function can be disrupted by infection due to microorganism called virus. The type of cell that is infected and the type of virus that infects will cause different disease and symptoms as well. There are many types of virus. For example, there are HIV, DBD, hepatitis, coronavirus or COVID-19, and others. Currently, the world including Indonesia is experiencing an outbreak of virus called corona or COVID-19. In Indonesia alone, many been infected with this virus. Even the number have reached thousands and many died. So here I will explain how to protect yourself from several viruses. Ladies and gentlemen, the first is DBD or dengue fever. Understanding of DBD. DBD is a disease caused by one of four dengue virus. Dengue fever is a contagious disease. Dr. Rizal Fadli said on halodoc.com there are four initial symptoms of DBD, including the first is sudden high fever. Fever in DBD can be 40 degrees Celsius. Fever this for 2 to 7 days. The next is muscle pain. After symptoms of fever occur, people with DBD will feel pain in the muscle and joints. These symptoms are usually accompanied by chills and sweating. The next is nausea and vomiting. Besides the stomach or back feel uncomfortable, these symptoms usually occur for 2 to 4 days. And the next is fatigue. Because lack of food intake and a weak immune system. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is according to Dr. Tania Savitri, there are several ways to prevent yourself from getting this virus. The first is drain the water on week. Female mosquitoes will first lay eggs on the walls of the tube filled with water. Mosquitoes larvae that hatch from eggs will then get food from surrounding microorganisms. And the next, cleanse other water holding containers. Get used to drain the water containers at least twice a week as a preventative measure for dengue at home. And the next is do not hang clothes for a long time. Leaving clothes filled up or hanging for so long can be a favorite place for mosquitoes to infect. This is because mosquitoes like the skin of the human body. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is coronavirus or COVID-19. Understanding of corona or COVID-19. Coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome. Coronavirus 2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease caused by a viral infection is called corona-19. Coronavirus can cause disorder of the respiratory system, acute pneumonia until died. Quote from WHO: the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue, and dry throat. These symptoms are mild symptoms and gradual onset. However, in general, there are 3 general symptoms that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus. Namely, the first is fever body. Fever is normal reaction of the human body to respond to pathogens such as germ, bacteria, and viruses that enter. No exception with the coronavirus. Fever in this virus reaches 13.8 degrees Celsius. The next is choke, and the last is hard to breathe. According to WHO, there are several ways to prevent transmission of this virus, including the first is wash your hand using soap and running water. Although it may sound common, hand washing is the basic of cleanliness and health. Hands are a sort of germ and bacteria that can cause various disease. Wash your hand for at least 20 seconds using soap and running water. Everybody, the next is keep your distance at least 1 meter between you and people who choke or sneeze. Avoid crowds and keep a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people, especially with people who choke and sneeze. The next is avoid touching the eyes, nose, and mouth. Coronavirus can attack the body through the triangular area or area of the face such as mouth, eyes, and nose. So avoid touching it so that there is no possibility of coronavirus entering into the body. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Understanding of virus. HIV or human immunodeficiency virus is a virus that damage the immune system by infecting and destroying CD4 cells. There more CD4 cells are destroyed, the immune system will be weaker, making it vulnerable to viruses disease. According to Dr. Jean Wiley, HIV symptoms are divided into two stages, namely first stage acute infection. Acute infection occurs in first month after a person is infected with HIV. At this stage, the immune system of an infected person for antibodies to fight the HIV virus. Symptoms of the acute infection stage can be mild to severe and can last several weeks, which include fever, vomiting, swollen lymph nodes. The next is second stage, latent stage. Latent stage infection. This stage can last of several years or decades. At this stage, the HIV virus is increasingly developing and damaging the body's immunity. Symptoms of latent stage including weight loss, fever, diarrhea, the body feels weak. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is according to Dr. Verona Handayani, there are several ways to prevent HIV transmission, including the first is have safe sex. Please note that one of the things that can be a way of HIV transmission is sexual relation. Therefore, you need to have intercourse that is safe and does not change partner, and use condom. The next is avoiding illegal drugs. Apart from sexual intercourse, HIV can also be transmitted through the use of unsterile needles. Because the HIV virus can be transmitted through blood, so that use of needles and syringes can increase a person affected by this virus. And the last is be honest with a partner. Let your partner know if you are HIV virus, so your partner can undergo an HIV test. The sooner it is detected, the earlier treatment can be carried out and transmission can be anticipation. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for attention, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.